with a soft velvet finish, with weight of sand, gravel, a washable heating pad, and more. We're going to show you the heating pad and what it's about. Saroo, a heating pad with 4 levels of heat, warm, low, medium, and high, with a 2-hour auto off. The Saroo heating pad has 4 temperature levels, 113 for warm, 122 degrees for low, 131 for medium, and 140 degrees for high. The heating pad weighs up to 4 pounds, comes in 3 different colors, 1x2, with weight, and could rest on a shoulder, an arm, laid across your chest, lower back, legs, and more. We're going to show you the heating pad and the temperature reading. The heating pad is on high. As you can see, it shows the temperature. It's easy to wrap around your arm and hold into place, and has a 7-foot cord. The controls are very easy to operate with a single button and 2 lights. With a 2-hour timer located on the bottom automatically set. This is the off, warm, low, medium, and high. The heating pad is removable by the cord by simply pulling off, and is now machine washable. It's easy to roll up and store away. When the cord is disconnected, it will blink, letting you know there is an issue. Please shut off the unit by unplugging. For moisture therapy, you can place water on your heating pad. As it beads off and rolls around, simply plug in your heating pad one particular way, turn on your controller to the desired temperature, and wrap the heating pad where it needs attention. If it's around the shoulder, lay it across the back, like so, or around the arm. The Saroo heating pad stays in place. Heat therapy, check online for further details about the products they offer. Easy to fold the cord up and store away for the next time you need to use. Saroo comes with instructions on how to care for your heating pad. Check online for further details about your heating pad from the company of Saroo. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.